Welcome to lecture 3 of module 3 in database management system, and today we are going to see about an important concept in SQL, which is order by, group by and having clause. So let us see these concepts in detail. First of all, we can see about order by keyword. So from the name itself, it is almost clear that order by keyword, it is actually used to sort a record in ascending or descending order. Suppose we are having a table having the names of students, names, roll number, name and marks of the students. Suppose we want to sort the names according to ascending order. In that case, we can use this keyword called order by. Okay, we can also use this order by keyword for sorting the list or sorting the record in descending order. Okay, for that we use the keyword DESC. Clear? For sorting in ascending order, we just need to give only order by keyword. We don't need to give any special keyword for additional keyword for ascending in ordering in ascending order. But in the case of ordering in descending order, we have to give the keyword DESC. Okay, so that is what it is written in the next statement. It sorts the record in ascending order by default. Okay, if we are simply giving order by keyword, it means that it will be ordering that particular record in ascending order. If we want to sort it in descending order, we have to what we have to do, we have to use the keyword DESC. Clear? To sort the record in descending order, use the keyword DESC. So this is the syntax. Select column 1, column 2 from table name, order by. Okay, so we have to select the particular column, and which column we have to order, that has to be represented here. So order by column 1 comma column 2. Okay, column 1 and column 1, column 2, etc. In which way we have to order, either in ascending order or descending order, that we have to represent here. Okay, actually ascending order we don't have to represent, just for descending order only we will use this keyword DESC. Okay, so it is not mandatory to give the ASC keyword for ordering in the ascending order. Okay, defaultly it will be sorting in the ascending order. Clear? Now, let us see an example. So this is a table called customer. So customer table. So if we are asking to sort the customer name in this table according to ascending order. Clear? So select all the customers from the customer table sorted by country. The question is sorting all the customers based on the ascending order of the country name. Okay, so here we have to sorting the list according to the country, ascending order of the country. So you can write the query like this: select star from customer, order by country. So this country, actually this country will be sorted in ascending order. See, first China is coming, then Germany, then Mexico, then again Mexico and UK, finally UK. So first it will be, the country will be sorted in ascending order. Okay, then the corresponding values will be corresponding rows will be represented here. Where for China, the city name is Beijing and the name of the customer is Christina. Yeah. Okay, that the corresponding value for that China will be displayed. Similarly, for Germany, the city name is Berlin and the name of the customer is Alfred. Okay, so that will be represented. Okay, suppose if we want to sort the names in ascending order, what can we do? We can rewrite the statement like this: select star from customer, order by name. In that case, this name will be sorted in ascending order. Clear? Next example: select all customers from the customer table sorted by country column in descending order. Okay, so here in previous example we are just sorted in ascending. Here we are going to sort in descending. So select star from customer, order by country, DESC, which means that we are sorting the country name according to descending order. Okay, see, country, descending order. It is displayed in descending order: UK, Mexico, Germany and China. Okay, clear? So the corresponding UK value, UK's city name and the name of the customer will be also displayed. Clear? Next one is SQL group by statement. Okay, so order by, it is almost, I think it's clear for everyone. It is just to sort a particular record according to ascending or descending order. Now group by. So group by statement, it is used to arrange a identical data into groups. Okay, for example, in the previous example, we have this. We are taking the column country. It is country is having repeated value. Same value is there. Mexico is having. Okay, Mexico is repeated. Okay, so here we can have two Mexicos. Suppose we want to display, or suppose we want to list the customers present in present in each countries. Okay, for example, for UK we are having only a single customer. For Mexico we are having two customers, Anna and Antonio. For Germany only one customer, China also one customer. Okay, so in that case we want to sort the country according to a particular group, then we can have this group by statement. That is what is written here. This statement is used to arrange the identical data. This identical data will be considered into a single group. Clear? The next speciality of group by statement is that this can be used only with the functions, aggregate functions count, max, min and average to group the result. Okay, so this group by statement is often used. Okay, it is often used with the aggregate functions count, max, min, sum and average to group the result set by one or more columns. Okay, so this group by statement is most commonly used along with our aggregate functions. Clear? Okay, fine. Let us see an example. List the number of customers in each country, the same table that we have seen previously. So this is the table. So from this table we are going to select the number of customers in each country. Okay, so select. So what we do, we are going to select the we want to take the number of the customers. Okay, so since we are to take the number of customers, we will be selecting the count of the name. Okay, count name comma country. Okay, for each country how many customers are there, that's the motive. So we will write select count of name comma country from customer group by country. Okay, see, group by country. So if we give like this, in each country how many customers are there, that will be displayed. Okay, in UK only single customer, Germany one, Mexico we had two customers. Okay, in China also one customer. Clear? So this is the advantage of a group by. Okay, so group by, it is basically used to arrange identical data into a single group. Okay. Another example. So this is a table called staff. So here they have asked to list the minimum salary held by each position. So here we are having serial number, first name, last name, salary, position. So look at here this position it is having same values. Okay, for example we are having 2 manager, 3 project manager. Okay, so similar values are there. So these similar values can be grouped. Okay, so list the minimum salary. Want to display the minimum salary held by each position, which means that for manager we are having 2 managers. So these 2 managers are given different salary, 30,000 and 24,000. Okay, so which is the minimum salary of the manager? It is 24,000. Which is the minimum salary of project manager? We are having 3 project managers. They are given, 2 project managers are given 12,000 and one is given only 9,000. So what is the minimum salary of the project manager? 9,000. Okay, so our target is to display the minimum salary of each position. For example, project manager 9,000 and manager 24,000. That has to be displayed. So how can we write the query? Okay, first we write select minimum salary or select position. So first we want to display the position also. Okay, so position. Okay, then minimum salary among the positions. Okay, from staff, the table name, group by position. Okay, so group by position, which means that the similar value will be grouped. Okay, they will display only a single manager and a single project manager, from which they will select the minimum salary. Clear? So select position comma minimum salary from staff, group by position. Clear? Next is having clause. So what is the use of having clause? So in having clause is actually used along with a group by clause. This having clause is uh, actually implemented to give a condition to state a condition that applied on groups. Okay, if we want to give support certain conditions based upon a particular group, then we can give the having clause. Okay, so this by just saying the statement you will not be clear. I will give an example and you will get a more clarity on this. Okay, so the statement is, it is used to state a condition that applies to groups. It can be used in conjunction with the group by clause. Okay, see here. Here they are asking to select the name of the employee held in various positions whose salary is above 10,000. Okay, so they are asked to, so in this question they are asking to display the name of the customer or the first name of the customer who is who is holding certain positions in the company, and who is drawing a salary greater than 10,000. For example, in manager, they are having two managers. From among that two managers, which manager is hiring? Which manager is getting salary greater than 10,000? Okay. Also, we are having another group project manager. From that, we have to select which project manager is getting a salary greater than 12,000. Okay, so here the manager who is getting salary greater than 10,000 is Mr. John, and the project manager who is getting the salary greater than 10,000 is David. Okay, that is what we want to display. So we can write the query like this: select position comma first name. The position also we are going to display. So position comma first name from staff. Okay, so we have to group which one? We have to group the position column. Okay, so group by position. Now we have to give when we write this statement, these two groups will be selected. Okay, these two groups will be selected. From that we have to give the condition, that is, from that group we want to display which values, which rows the customer or the the employee having salary greater than 10,000. Okay, so we can write the statement like this: having salary greater than 10,000. Okay, so if we execute this statement, they will display the name of the customer, name of the employee of that particular group having salary greater than 10,000. Okay, clear? So anyway, for manager we are actually having two employees. Okay, for project manager we are having three employees. Okay, from that they will choose the employee or the concerned person having salary greater than 10,000. Okay, so here the result will be manager, position manager, the highest is 10,000 salary, more than 10,000 is received by John, and project manager more than 10,000 is received by David. This will be the result. Okay, another example. Okay, I'm actually giving the examples for group by as well as having combined. Okay, so here this is a table called customer table, and they have asked the question, list the total amount of salary on each customer. Okay, we have to display the total salary of each customer. So look at here. Here we are having not customer yet. It is actually employee. Okay. So it is having Ramesh. We are having two Ramesh. See here, Kaushik. Kaushik is also we are having two Kaushik. Okay. So this Ramesh is hiring salary of Ramesh is getting a salary of 2000 from Ahmedabad, and Ramesh is also getting a salary of 1500 from Delhi branch. Okay, suppose assume that this Ramesh is working in both branch, Ahmedabad as well as Delhi. Okay, uh, assume that both the ages are same. Okay, assume that both these persons are same. Okay, and Ramesh is working in Ahmedabad branch as well as in Delhi branch. Kaushik is also working in Kota branch as well as in Mumbai branch. Okay, so you want to get the total amount of salary of each customer. Okay, we want to get the total amount of salary of each customer. Clear? For Ramesh, we have to get the total for Ramesh total salary from both the branches. For Kaushik also, we need to retrieve the total salary from both branches. Okay, okay. Similarly, Hardrick. Hardrick is actually actually working in only in single branch. Komal is also working in only a single branch. Muffy is also working in a single branch. Okay, so only the issue is coming for Ramesh and Kaushik. So how we can write the query? So select name, comma, sum of salary. Sum of salary. We want to compute the sum of the salary from employee. Group by name. Okay, group by name. So when we give the group by name, so this Ramesh will be these two Rameshes will be in one group. The two Kaushik will be in one group. Okay, these Hardik, Komal and Muffy in separate groups. Okay, from that groups they will compute the total salary. For Ramesh they will compute 2000 plus 1500. The total salary will be 3500. For Kaushik, the total salary they will compute. This will be a group. From that they will compute the total salary 2000 and 6500. It will be 8500. Okay. The rest of the people there is no change because only a single entry is there for the rest of the people. Clear? So this is the advantage of group by clause. Another example, display the name and age of the employee according to the alphabetic order of the names. So these are the list of employees. So here we want to display their names according to their ascending order. Which clause will be used? Will be using order by keyword will be using. Okay, select name, age from customer. Okay, we just want to display only the name and the age. The entire table we don't want to display, just to display the name and age. So we will select name comma age from employee, order by name. Okay, order by name, which means that this name will be arranged in ascending order. Okay, clear? Another question. This is a customer table which is having three attributes: customer ID, name and country. So here they are asking to list the number of customers in each country. Okay, they are asking to list the number of customers in each country. One more condition is there: only include the countries with more than one employee. Which means that we need to take the count of customers in each country. Okay, for example, in Mexico we are having customer ID 1. John is in Mexico, Antonio is also in Mexico. So there are two customers in Mexico. Okay, so the count is 2. Now France, check for France. Stalin is in France, Alex is in France, Alina is in France. So there are 3 customers from France. Sweden, only one person is there from Sweden. Okay, so our task is to display the number of customers in each country. That is the first task. Okay, in that case we will be displaying for Mexico we are having 2 customers, France 3 customers, Sweden 1 customers. Okay, then one more condition is given, only include the country with more than 1 employee. Okay, only we want to display the country with the customer with the more than 1 customers are there. Clear? So how can we write? So first we write select, we have to take the count of the customers. Okay, select a count of customer ID. Along with that we want to display the country also, so we'll comma, we'll take country from employee. Okay, so we want to group which column we want to group, the country column. So group by country having. Okay, the condition is so next this condition we are going to implement using having clause. So, okay, so what is the condition? Having this count of customer ID must be greater than 1. That is the condition. Okay, only includes the country with more than 1 employee, which means that having count of customer ID greater than 1. Okay, since we are using this group by clause, for giving the condition we will use the having clause. Okay, because this condition is existing for that particular group. This condition is existing for that particular group. Okay. Suppose we are not giving this condition, we are just writing selected count of customer ID comma country from employee group by country. This having clause we are not giving. In that case, what will be the output? One more value will be coming, right? Count of customer ID 1. Sweden will be also coming. Clear? So this is the next question. List the number of customer in each country. List the number of customers in each country. So that is directly we can write group by using group by clause. Select count of customer ID comma country from employee group by country. Okay, so for Mexico there are 3 person, Sweden only single person, for France there are 3 person. Okay, so this will be the output. So this is the concept of group by, order by, group by and having. Okay, it's a very important concept. So please make a note of it and study. Thank you.